In this video, we're going to look at determining the equation of a straight line. A lot of this will be revision from work you've done in S3. So just a recap to start off with. The equation of a line generally is in the form y equals mx plus c, where m stands for the gradient and where c stands for the y-intercept. We have seen the gradient in Unit 1, the expressions and formula. The gradient is like how steep a line is, the steepness of the slope. And the y-intercept corresponds to the point where our line crosses the y-axis. So just a reminder, here's the y-axis. So in this straight line, the y-intercept would be this point here. So say, for example, the y-intercept would be 2. So m and c will just be numbers. An example of this could be, we could have the equation y equals 2x plus 3. That corresponds to an equation with a gradient of 2, which crosses the y-axis at 3. To start off with, we're going to look at sketching straight lines, and we've got 3 methods to do that. The first method we're going to look at is using a table of values. Let's imagine that I asked you to sketch the equation y equals 4x plus 5. There's a few different ways we can do this, but the first way is with the table of values. So here I am just going to create a table with an x and a y value. These are going to correspond to coordinates, because remember, in a coordinate it's always in the form x, y. So that's what these are going to signify. Then I'm just going to choose a few values. Let's go -1, 0, 1. Just going to choose those 3 values. What I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute this value into this equation. So to find out what y is, I need to times x by 4, then add 5. I'm going to do 4 times -1 plus 5. That is going to be 1. 4 times 0 plus 5 is 5. And 4 times 1 plus 5, which is 9. So these coordinates are -1, 1. I'm just reading the x and the y coordinate. 0, 5 and 1, 9. So I have input my x values into the equation to find out the y values, and then I've just plotted them as coordinates. And here what I'll just rewrite again, the coordinates I've written -1, 1, 0, 5 and 1, 9. So what I will have done is I will just plot these points first. I will plot -1, 1. I will plot 0, 5. And I'll plot 1, 9. Then all I'm going to do is just using a ruler, just draw a line connecting those points in a straight line. You'll know you've done this correct if you don't need to take your ruler off the page. So this is a sketch of the equation y equals 4x plus 5. So that is using the tables of value method.